Hi guys, this is Tommy who is speaking. Today I'm gonna show you how to open a Binance account. As you know, Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange right now. And if you are interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrencies, etc., Binance is the place you need to be in. So, alright, let's start. Simply, you need to head over to the Binance.com, and you will see a page like this. It may change depending on the time that you are watching this video, but it's simply gonna be something like that. Here, as you can see, you can click here, sign up with email or phone, or on the top of the page, you will see register button. So simply click register button, and you will see a page like this. Here you need to go on with sign up with email or phone, because I will share with you guys a discount code, and with this discount code you will have 20% commission discount lifetime. So that's very important in the long term, so be careful and make sure that you are using this discount code. So simply click here, sign up with email or phone. So once you click here, you need to enter your email, and you need to text your, you need to write down here referral ID, the discount code that I'm sharing with you. So that's very important, as I told you earlier, because with this discount code you will have 20% discount lifetime. So simply write here the code that I am writing right now, or you can click the link in the description below, and you can open this page with the referral ID. Referral ID is filled, so that would be much easier as well. So simply write down the referral ID discount code here that I'm sharing with you guys, and go on. So right now I am writing the discount code, as you can see here. So give me a moment. As you can see, we have commission kickback rate 20%. This is a lifetime discount, so that's very important. Here, enter your email address or phone number, and click here and click the next button. Once you enter your email address and click the next button, so you will see a page something like this. Here you need to enter the 6-digit verification code that was sent to your email address that you shared with Binance. You need to enter the 6-digit code. That's very important. Once you enter the code, you can simply click the submit button. The email will be something like that. You can simply copy it here, your activation code, and go to the Binance again and paste it here and click submit. So after clicking submit, Binance will want you to set a password for your Binance account. At this point, you need to be very, very careful, because it's very important. It's a very important step. So your password must be very easy to remember, but it must be also at the same time very hard to guess. So be careful here and set your password and click next. Yeah, that's all. All right, we have our Binance account. So here, after that, we need to do our KYC process, and I will show you how to deposit into the Binance. So if you want to get, if you want to get marketing updates from Binance, you can simply click here and on it. Or if you don't want it, you can simply do not touch anything and click done. So that's all. Once we open our Binance account, Binance will show you a page something like this. So I'm gonna show you the other details on Binance. Once we decide our password, etc., we need to choose our residency. If you live in USA or in other countries, you need to choose your country here, right here. Once you choose your country, Binance will want you to complete your KYC process. KYC is know your customer. Binance will want you to see your ID or passport, etc. So choose your country here and click next. Alright, so to continue your KYC process and to enter your personal information, There are two ways. If you want to go on with your mobile phone, you can simply download Binance app here, and you can download Binance app to your iOS device or Android device. It doesn't matter your iPhone or your Samsung. It doesn't matter, and you can scan the QR code below on your screen, and after you scan it, you can simply go on the KYC process with your phone. That's much more easy actually. I highly suggest you guys to go on with this path. But if you don't want to do that, simply click continue here. Once you click continue here, and you will see a page something like this. So you need to fill your nationality, first name, last name, date of birth, year, month, and day. It must be like this: first year, after month, and finally day. And if you are a Turkish citizen, Binance also wants you to fill your Turkish identification number. If you are not a Turkish citizen, it may change according to your citizenship. Binance will want you something different. Let's try Australia. So let's see what it will be want. So it still want Turkish identification number because I'm a Turkish, probably because of that. But it may change according to your citizenship. It doesn't matter. You will see basic information here, basic personal information here. So you can simply go on by filling all of these and click continue. So that was the all basic and standard verification process. After finishing your standard and basic verification process, let me show you how to deposit your Binance account. So there are three ways. So to deposit your account, simply on the top of the page you will see a button which is written deposit on it. So click here. And if you want to deposit your bank account via bank transfer, bank deposit with a fiat currency, click bank deposit. Here you can see the SWIFT and the IBAN codes, as you can see. Click one of them, click one of the currencies here, whatever is suitable for you, and go on, click continue, and do the simple deposit process. There is another way. Click deposit again here and click buy crypto. That's much more easier actually. You can simply buy Bitcoin with your credit cards. So let's see. So if you want to buy let's say Bitcoin with your credit card, enter the amount here, let's say 100 euro, and click buy BTC, and you can buy a Bitcoin for yourself in the amount of with the amount of 100 euro. So if you can change it as well, etc. You can buy Ethereum, BNB, USDT as well. There are so many options. That's very easier. If you want, you can buy with your credit card as well. So okay, after that I show you also how to deposit your account. So you here on the top of the page you will see wallet. Click here and click overview. You will see the amount of money you have on your Binance account, and basic information about your Binance account here as well. The last time, your recent transactions, and your money, how much you have on your Binance, etc. So if you want to also trade, click here trade and click spot trade, and you can trade here. That's very much easy. That's very easy, and that's the basic process. Let's wait to loading of the page. So if you want to buy Ethereum after depositing your account, click here price, and click the price here and click the amount here in Ethereum or USDT, and click buy. If you want to sell here, the same process as well. So that's the basic usage of Binance, step by step for the new beginners. I hope video helped you guys a lot. If you think video helped you guys, please consider subscribe to our channel, and like my video. That's very helpful for me. I wish you guys have a very good day, and I wish you guys best of luck on your crypto journey. So thanks so much for watching. This is Tommy Solimano here. Have a good day.